Want to try camping, but you're unsure if you want to invest in the equipment? No worries. We've got you covered. Metroparks Toledo makes camping easy by allowing you to add on a variety of high-quality equipment and supplies to your reservation. From tents to sleeping bags, from food to hammocks, and a variety of camping and family-friendly activity bags that you can keep for your next adventure. Just click on the link below to discover all of Metroparks' available add-ons that can be delivered directly to your campsite and set up before you arrive. When it comes to cooking, let us help you have a successful campfire cooking experience by providing all the supplies and directions to create a tasty time together. All you need to do is cook it up, supply the plates, the silverware, and your appetites. And don't worry about mistakes. Your kit is stocked with plenty of materials for multiple tasty tries. Let Metroparks Toledo provide all the supplies you need for your camping adventure, leaving you free to create the memories that will last a lifetime. Camping made easy by Metroparks Toledo. Get outside yourself.